Have you ever opened the Binance app and suddenly received a pop-up asking you to activate the anti-phishing code? You might be thinking, is my account hacked? Has someone accessed my Binance application? Or is this a scam? Let me make one thing very clear. This is not a hack and your application has not been compromised. This pop-up is officially sent by Binance, not by scammers. It's a security feature that Binance recommends for all users to protect themselves from phishing attacks. So do not ignore it. In this video, I will not only explain what this feature does, but I will also walk you through how to enable it step by step. So firstly, understand what is anti-phishing code. You probably receive emails from Binance confirming emails, transaction alerts, promo offers, and notifications. But here's the problem. Scammers often send fake mails that look just exactly like Binance. The mails might say things like, you have received free airdrop tokens, visit dashboard to claim rewards. These emails look real, and once you click the visit dashboard button, you are asked to log in. But guess what? It's a trap. That's how hackers steal your login info. Now the question is, how does the anti-phishing code help? When you enable your anti-phishing code, you create a unique 6 to 8 digit phrase. For example, I am choosing green11. Once this is activated, every real email from Binance will include this code. So whenever you receive an email, check for your personal anti-phishing code at the top. If the code is there, it's a real mail from Binance, and if the code is missing, it's a fake. Delete it immediately. Scammers do not know your code, so they cannot fake it. Now our final step-by-step guide is how to enable anti-phishing code in Binance. Simple, open your Binance application, go to your setting, security, tap on anti-phishing code, click on create code, or you can directly access through the pop-up you have received just when you opened the Binance application. Now the second final step is enter your custom 6 to 8 characters phrase, click submit and enter your passkey. Done. Your anti-phishing code is now active. This simple feature can protect your account from being compromised. You will never again be confused about whether an email is real or a scam. So take 2 minutes today and enable your anti-phishing code. Drop a comment if you have enabled it and let others know it works. Like the video, subscribe for more crypto security tips. Share this with your crypto community. Stay safe out there.